That's Alice and Bob. As developers, they want to implement new, innovative functions. But just implementing functions? They've done the math without Ted, the process owner. He gives them a lot of headaches with terms like requirements management, traceability, or ASPICE. On the one hand, all this requires many different roles, and on the other hand, takes place in many different systems and tools. It's hard to learn all this and keep track of it all. How can Alice and Bob focus on their creative development work? The solution? PAK, our Process Automation Kit, a modular framework for process automation. Alice and Bob are supported by PAK in adhering to the process specifications through high automation. The complex processes are modeled in a notation that is familiar to PAK. This allows PAK to do most of the cumbersome work for Alice and Bob. Repetitive activities with different tools are thus taken off their shoulders. If a decision has to be made or a system has to be configured according to given data, PAK knows what to do. Is there a technically complex, creative job to be done? PAK points out to Alice and Bob that they need to take action here. Now they can do what they enjoy: develop, solve tasks, implement. While PAK supports Alice and Bob in their creative work, their team members can also work on their own tasks with the help of PAK. Is Alice's or Bob's work a prerequisite for starting another team member's task? PAK knows this too and triggers the corresponding tasks in the correct order. In this way, the entire team is permanently supported and lightened by PAK. At the same time, Ted can rely on process compliance, quality standards, and fast development cycles. Finally, an overview of PAK's features. Graphical process notation, for example in BPMN. Modular principle for fast and flexible process modeling. Controlling of tools from the development chain through their interface. Persistence of process progress in a database. Flexible integration into new or existing applications. Operation on-premise or cloud. Scalability of automation. Technological independence of programming languages, databases, and modeling formats.